YouTube Souljayy again back with our next video. Jamaican reacting to Pick or Kick Junk Food Edition as a Jamaican. Listen, now go hesitate no more. Just I'll get into it. No know anything, go like, subscribe. Get into the video, man.
First challenge, Domino's or Pizza Hut? Pick one, kick one.
Domino's or Pizza chat. Listen, feel like I get Domino's. I get Domino's chat. But like somebody tell me the other day, say, oh, pizza did have like pasta. I love pasta, dog. Like, what happened to the pasta chat? What happened to the pasta? They're asked the pasta. So, like, but like, I gotta go with Domino's. Gotta go with Domino's. Gotta go with Domino's, man. Like, I just been to Domino's more recently. Like, just what it is.
Grilled cheese sandwich or mac and cheese? Pick one, kick one.
It's crazy because I had a grilled cheese recently. Too much. Fuck. Listen, that Jamaican mac and cheese be busting though. Like, listen, double cheese on the mac and cheese when they like mixing 2 cheese packs. Listen, the Jamaican people know what I'm talking about. Like, when you get like the pack and you take out one of the next cheese and you put in 2 cheese, or you add extra cheese, listen, bushing. Especially when you see, listen, mac and cheese. Boy,
Tiramisu or cheesecake? Pick one, kick one.
I don't even know what tiramisu is. I just gotta go with cheesecake because that's what I've had. We don't know what that is. No cap, bro.
Skittles or M&M's? Pick one, kick one.
Not gonna lie. Gotta go Skittles, bro. I have to go Skittles, brother. M&M's, I don't know about M&M's. Like the chocolate, that's not for me, gang.
Cupcakes or cakes pops?
I never had cake pops. Them not like cake pops in Jamaica, so I just gotta go cupcake. But I feel like cake pops would be busting too. Oh, nice.
Would you rather glazed donuts or filled donuts?
I feel like filled. Go crazy. I gotta go to Krispy Kreme. Listen, Valentine's Day coming up, chat one go the thing, you know what I'm saying? Krispy Kreme, listen. Fuck me, chat.
Twix or Kit Kat?
That's a hard, yo, that's a tough one, brother. Hold on, brother. Gotta go Twix. My brother. Twix.
Would you rather stuffed pancakes or fluffy pancakes?
Let's go stuffed.
Would you rather white chocolate or dark chocolate?
White chocolate. But we ain't talking about the middle though. Dark chocolate, dark skin. White chocolate, Sherlock.
Chocolate cake or brownie? Pick one, kick one.
I'm not really a big cake fan either way, but like brownie.
Grimace shake or frappuccino? Pick one, kick one.
Never had either of these. I just gotta go with the Starbucks. I had like some Starbucks shit before. Like, you know, Starbucks there, we don't got McDonald's at Jamaica.
Waffles or pancakes?
I feel like them the same shit. I never really had a proper waffle, so I don't know. Gotta go pancakes. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I gotta try waffles. Though.
Cheese balls or fried chicken? That whets my appetite.
Right. I don't know what a cheese ball is. I feel like I gotta try a cheese ball, but just gotta go fried chicken, man. Yo.
Reese's bar or Reese's cup? Pick one, kick one.
Gotta go with the Reese's ball, brother. Reese's ball be bussin', bro. Like I just like the bar more than the
Chocolate ice
cups.
cream or vanilla ice cream?
Not gonna lie, chocolate ice cream, yeah. Chocolate ice cream over vanilla ice cream. No white chocolate over here, you know what I'm saying? No milk. What Dr. Umar say, no milk.
Fudge brownie or cookie dough? Pick one, kick one. Careful, you're drooling.
I'm not drooling, gang. Cookie dough. Cookie dough. Lock.
Peanut butter or Nutella? Pick one, kick one.
Nutella. We got that. Easy Nutella. You know what I'm saying, bro. Lock. .com, bro.
Barbecue ribs or steak? Gimme food.
I don't know. You know that. Stick. Yeah, stick.
Butter popcorn or caramel popcorn?
Butter. Potato.
Pringles or Lay's?
More or less, cause there's a more flavor in it, but like Pringles just, Pringles just be Pringling, you know what I'm saying? Pringles. I just like Pringles more.
Would you rather pizza or pasta?
This is a hard ass choice. I'm so sorry. How y'all? Pizza or pasta, bro? Oh my god, bro. Bro, I can't, bro. You can't do that, bro. I can't choose, bro. What? Fuck it, pasta. Like, what
Ice
the
cream
hell?
sandwich or ice cream cone? Pick one, kick one.
I
Well,
feel
there
like
goes my stomach grumbling like a bear.
I would have said ice cream cone, but like that's gonna get ice cream sandwich. Like you were licking and shit.
Would you rather
Yeah.
wedges or onion ring?
Not gonna lie, onion rings are I want to say onion rings to be different, but wedges just top tier, bro. Wedges tough, dog.
KFC or Popeyes? Pick one, kick one.
This is controversial, chat. As a Jamaican, controversial. Jamaica. Listen, Popeyes or KFC. Listen, bro. And I'm Jamaican, so I've had Jamaican KFC, and them say, oh, Jamaican KFC is the best. Listen, Jamaican KFC is tough. I love KFC, but like, if like, listen, I just gotta go Popeyes, bro. Popeyes, cause like, listen, the KFC don't have like orange juice, at least in Jamaica. I don't know about America, but at least in Jamaica, them don't have like orange juice and them some there, and it's just like, them, it just a mess up, man. You know what I'm saying? Popeyes got orange juice, them what like, you know what I'm saying? They just got more variety, and for me, that's important. So I would rather eat a Popeyes. But like, don't get me wrong, KFC OC tough though. KFC up there.
Need bib.
KFC up there. Okay, chat. Listen, don't play with it.
Hot chocolate or milkshake?
Tea, hot chocolate. Yeah, I was going with the tea, hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is still tea. Y'all call it tea.
Fish
American
sticks
people.
or mozzarella sticks? Pick
Mozzarella
one, kick one.
sticks is not even close. I don't
I'm
even
starving
like
after
fish
that.
like that. Like, yeah. Like, just make mouth water. Like, yo, shit, I want to order food right now. We're doing that shit.
Would you rather Cajun freeze or garlic parmesan fries?
Shit, that sounds tough. Like, garlic fries, though. Garlic fries. I love, like, garlic shit. You know, the garlic thing. Them.
Corn dog or hot dog?
I never tried a corn dog before, so I'm just gotta go hot dog. My wife for that, so.
Hot Cheetos or hot Takis? Pick one, kick one.
Hot Cheetos. Not gonna lie, hot Cheetos. The hot Cheetos. Hot Cheetos tough.
Would you rather Fruit Loops or Lucky Charms?
It's an interesting one. Call me crazy, chat. Lucky Charms, bro. But like Fruit Loops is tough too, bro.
Sprite or 7-Up? Pick one, kick one.
I'm good. Yeah, Sprite, bro. Sprite, simple, easy.
Would you rather French
Sprite,
toast or croissant?
Croissant, chat. Croissant. French toast. Give me that French toast, chat. French toast, pandemas, bomba.
Twizzlers or red vines? Pick one, kick one.
Ain't that the same shit? Bro. They taste the same to me, I swear to God, bro. Like, minutes of difference. Like, I was expecting this shit to be sweet or something, bro. Oh my god. You can't keep doing this, bro. Like, these choices, bro. Like, right. Gotta go hash browns, bro. I miss your hash browns so heavy, bro. Like, favorite food, bro. Like, these are like my two favorite
salmon
foods,
or shrimps? Bro. Pick one.
Pick one. Salmon. I don't really like shrimp like that. Chef me though, sure. Chef.
Espresso or latte?
Man, I'm trying to remember how espresso tastes. Espresso, child. Espresso.
Oreo McFlurry or M&M's McFlurry?
Oreo. Even though, bro, the Oreo shit be getting in your straw. Like, it be clogging your straw, bro.
Tacos or burritos? Pick one, kick one.
Nah, burritos don't got them as easy.
Would you rather Lay's or Pringles?
Pringles, bro. Nigga, you asked this question already, bro. Bro, nigga repeating questions. You already said this, bro. Am I tweaking, bro? Like, did this nigga not ask this shit before? Am I tweaking? Like, I'm not tripping, bro. Did this nigga not ask Lay's or Pringles? Am I bro? No way. No way. No. I'm not getting gaslit. Yeah, this nigga asked this shit already, gang. What the hell? Bro. Lock in, bro. Lock in, gang. Locked in, gang.
Lipton or Arizona?
Arizona all day, bro. I haven't even tried Lipton. Listen, Arizona is the shit, chat. I'm so sorry, bro. Arizona. No, I'm being Arizona, bro. Arizona.
Fried chicken or chicken wings?
Fried chicken, bro. I'm sorry, I'm black, bro. Wait, I'm still. Fried chicken, bro. Fried chicken all the way. Love me that fried chicken, chat. No.
Burger King or McDonald's? Shit. Pick one, kick one.
Listen, I haven't tried McDonald's like that, so I can't even say this shit. But like, as a Jamaican, I've been to Burger King more than McDonald's, so like that's all I'm gonna say. And Burger King has orange juice, bro. I don't know about McDonald's, so I can't even speak on that. But you know what I'm saying? I've never been to McDonald's, so I don't know. Mickey D's, you know, back in the day.
Pick your next challenge and make sure
to
like
that's
and
it, chat. Listen, like, subscribe. Hungry big back people, don't know anything, go. Catch you now. Bye.
We forgot it was mud. I don't cross, so I couple with drugs. I don't know when my time gonna come. I'm at the bottom, back where I begun.